Okay, so it shows an estimate of the population of some countries. Which country has the largest population? Well, if you're not sure about this, you could actually put all of these into sort of normal numbers beside them. This means I've got 1 and then it's 0.60. That decimal point's got to move 7 places. So 160, that's moved twice, and it's got to have 5 more zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Next one's move it twice to get 812. And then that's got to have, that's 2, so that's also got another 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one's 6, got to move it twice, so that'll be 607, and then move it 5 more places. This one I've got to move it twice, 127, and then I've got to move it 6 places, so that's going to be 127, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And the final one, I've got to move it twice, and then another 4, so that will start here, 206. 1, 2, 3, 4. You could do that. You wouldn't necessarily have to, because to see the one which the biggest is the one which has got the biggest number here, because that means I've times it by 10 8 times, and none of the others I've only times it by 7 or 6. So we could have known immediately it was Japan. But there's nothing wrong with taking a little bit of time and doing this. Write the population of Italy as an ordinary number. Well, I've already done that. That's 607. With 5 zeros. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you want to put the commas in there, that comes to 60 million. If you happen to know that it's roughly what we are, that's helpful. Population of Montserrat is 5,000. Write it in standard form, where it's got to be a number between 1 and 10, times by a power of 10, and 5, it's gone 1, 2, 3 places, so it'll be 10 cubed. And complete the following sentence. The population of, it's about 5 times. Well, that's quite tricky. I suppose you could take the first one and times it by 5 and see if you get roughly any of the other ones. And actually, in this case, you do. The population of Germany is about 5 times the population of Ecuador. But if you'd wanted to try that, you could have just tried times in that one. If that one didn't get close to one of the others, then you'd have to try this next one, times that one by 5, and see if you get close to one of the others. If that didn't, times this one by 5, and just keep on going until one of them got roughly the same as the other. And that would be a way of doing it. There's other ways, but it's probably the most likely one to have some effect. And at this stage of the paper, you can take a little bit of time to try and get as many marks as possible, and it's just worthwhile persevering with that. So that's question 14 done.